Want to create your own ebook but feel like it's too complicated? Here's how to design a professional ebook in under 60 seconds using Canva. Head over to Canva and in the search bar, type ebook templates. You'll see hundreds of options. Scroll until you find one you like. Let's go with this modern black template. This one has 22 ready-made pages, so it's perfect. I'm calling mine How to Start Selling Digital Products. Replace the text on each page with your content. Make sure your fonts, colors, and spacing look clean and readable. Once done, hit download, choose PDF, and your ebook is done and ready to sell or share. Want to turn your ebook into passive income? At PDF Farming, you'll learn exactly how to market, sell, and profit from simple ebooks just like the one you created, without showing your face or being techy. It's the easiest side hustle you can start today. Click the link below to start selling your digital products today.